What have you got, Raegan?
A phone.
Is that a phone?
Yes.
Who are you going to call?
I'm going to call Daddy.
Are you going to call Daddy on the phone?
Hello.
Hello, Raegan.
I live the old room, and Nana.
What's that?
That. A hornet.
Yeah.
No, what that? No, I mean, what that?
That's your horn, and that's for holding your cell phone. Oh boy. Can you show Mommy how your car goes? Does your car go fast? Make it go. You gotta move your feet. There you go.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh, okay. Is your phone ringing?
Hello? Noise.
Yeah, well, you have to answer it. Answer your phone. Say hello.
Hello. Hello? Hello? Yes, I'm the original.
You can move your feet, make your car go.
No way, let it stop.
Oh, you gotta stop and talk on your phone. I see. Okay.
Hello, Rara. Hello, Rara.
Who are you calling on?
Hello, Beep. Hello, calling Beep. Hello, Beep. Oh, yes. Hello. Hello.
Did you call the babies?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I see. Did you tell them that you have a new car?
Go! I don't want to go.
Oh, it's the phone ringing. It's a good thing it came with the phone. My goodness, it's a small wonder you ever get out of the house. Do you have to go pee on the potty?
No.
Oh, kind of seems like you might. You drive your car to the potty?
No.
Stupid mommy. Okay.